Jaisha, what is that?
This is a gun, Annaya.
Jaisha, what is that?
This is a car, Annaya.
Jaisha, what is that?
This is a chocolate, Annaya.
Jaisha, what is that?
This is a biscuit, Annaya.
Jaisha, what is that?
This is a jeep, Annaya.
Jaisha, what is that?
This is a bag, Annaya.
Jaisha, what is that?
This is a book, Annaya.
Jaisha, what is that?
This is a pen, Annaya.
Jaisha, what is that?
This is a slate, Annaya.
Jaisha, what is that?
This is a phone, Annaya.
Jaisha, what is that?
This is a comb, Annaya.
Jaisha, what is that?
This is an egg, Annaya.
Jaisha, what is that?
This is a lollipop, Annaya.
Jaisha, what is that?
This is a teddy bear, Annaya.
Jaisha, what is that?
This is a JCB, Annaya.
Jaisha, what is that?
This is a milk, Annaya. ఇక్కడ ఈ అబ్బాయికి దూరంగా ఉన్న వస్తువులకి దట్ వాడుతున్నాడు. అదే జైశ్యామ్కి దగ్గరగా ఉన్న వస్తువులకి దిస్ అని వాడడం గమనించాలి.